we're solving proportions. Proportion is just a fancy word for fractions. What we're going to want to do is multiply by the bottoms and get rid of the fractions. Now, some students, they hear cross multiply once and then they use it all the time when it's not even appropriate. So I don't use this. Bad. People want to use it when it's not even reasonable to use it, so I just don't even mess with it. Now, what we're going to do is multiply by the bottoms and get rid of the fractions. So I've got an 8 over here, so I'm going to multiply by 8 here and here. And I've got a 5, so I'm going to multiply everything by 5. Now these are gone, so I get 5q. This and this cancel. 4 times 8, 32. And now I'm going to divide. Five doesn't go into 32, so I'll just leave it like that. And on this one, I've got a 4, so I'm going to multiply everything by 4. Got a 5, so I'm going to multiply everything by 5. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 4x. Now I need to divide. Divide, divide. Those don't cleanly divide, so I'll just leave them the way they are. Alright, that's all you need to know about that one.